Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In previous video, we saw 5 problems on logical operators. Okay, in this video also we will see more problems. Let's have a look. See here friends, write a program that reads two numbers. Okay, these two numbers as input. Okay, that's why here randomly I am taking A is equal to 56 and B is equal to 78. Okay, and checks. Okay, and checks, this checks means final condition. Okay, this checks means final condition. If one of the given numbers is negative, that means one of the given numbers means this is condition 1. Okay, this is condition 1. Then prepare condition 1. Condition 1 is equal to one of the given numbers. Okay, how many numbers he given? Two numbers is given. Is a negative number. He is asking what is the condition of negative number. A number is less than 0. Okay, a number is less than 0. It is a negative number. Okay, then a is less than 0. Okay, a is less than 0 or b is less than 0. This is the one condition. Okay, a is less than 0 and b is less than 0, one of the given numbers in condition 1. This is the up to here, this is the condition 1. Okay, next, this and is coming under this checks. Okay, this and is coming under this checks. Okay, now what is the second condition? The sum of the given numbers is greater than 7. Okay, the sum of the given numbers is greater than 7. He is saying then sum is equal a plus b. Okay, sum is equal to a plus b. And condition 2. Okay, condition condition 2 is equal to sum. Okay, condition 2 is equal to sum of the given numbers is greater than, okay, is greater than 7. Okay, is greater than 7. This is the, okay, this is the given input. Okay, this is the given input. Okay, this is one of the operation for input, and these two are the asked conditions. Okay, these two are the asked conditions. Now we have to check final result. Okay, what is the final result? The condition 1 and condition 2. Condition 1 and condition 2. If condition 1 and condition 2, check it. If condition 1 and condition 2, suppose if its condition is true, then prints true, then otherwise print false. Okay, print false. Okay, have a look. See, according to theory, sum is equal to how much? Sum is equal to 56 and 78. Okay, 134. Okay, 134. And this is a is equal to 56 means positive number, then it's false. Okay, it's false. And okay, sorry, or this is also false, then the output should be false. Okay, output should be false. Here also sum is equal to how much? Sum is equal to 134. 134 is a greater when comparing to 7, then it's true. Okay, then it's true. Here now the condition 1 is false and the condition 2 is true. See, condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true. Then the, suppose in logical and, okay, in logical under, sorry, in logical and any one condition should be false, then output should be also a false, then it's a false. Okay, it's a false. Both the conditions are true, then the output should be true. In remain and rather than remaining all conditions, the output should be false here. Okay, then the output should be false. Let's have a see the output. See, it's false. Okay, it's false. Okay, now here I am checking the individual conditions also. Okay, for understanding purpose, print condition 1 and a print condition 1 and print condition 2. Okay, print condition 1 and condition 2. Now see, the condition 1 is false and the condition 2 is true. False and true is always a false. Okay, now this problem we are checking with the user inputs. Okay, now int input, enter first number and int input, enter second number. Okay, now see the output. Here first number I am giving one negative number and the second number I am giving 6. Now the output is here in condition 1. Okay, in condition 1 is true. Okay, and condition 2 is false. Then condition true and false will becomes false. Okay, true and false will becomes false. Okay, now I will check with the, this is 98 and this is 67. Now see here, condition 1 is true and condition 2 is also a true. True and true is always a true. Okay, then the final output is, okay, then the final output is true. Okay, then the final output is true. See, 98 and 67. Okay, final output is true. Okay, that's it friends. I hope you understand this problem. Now see the seventh problem. Write a program that reads two numbers A and B and checks if the both A and B are positive. This is one condition. Okay, this both is coming under here. Okay, A and B are positive numbers. R. Okay, this R for final result, and both A and B are less than 70. Okay, now apply the conditions. Okay, what is the first condition? A and B are positive numbers. A and B are positive numbers means, okay, a number is said to be positive, the number must greater than the 0. The number must greater than the 0. That means A is greater than, okay, A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0. A is greater than 0 and B is greater than also 0. This is the first condition. Now A and B are less than 70. Okay, that means, A is less than 70. Okay, A is less than 70 and B is less than 70. A is less than 70 and B is less than 70. Okay, now what is the final condition? The condition 1. Okay, up to here, this is the first condition and this is the second condition. That condition 1 or condition 2. That means condition 1 or condition 2. That means here true and true will becomes true. Okay, no, true and true becomes true, and here also true and true becomes true. Here true or true. Here in both the conditions must be true. At that time only it's true. Okay, in these two conditions. At final result, if any one condition is true, the output should be print true. Otherwise, the output should be print false. Okay. Now see here, I am giving the first number. One number is equal to 5 and another number is equal to 8. I am giving. See this? It's the output should be print true. Okay. Now here we check with conditions also. Condition 1 and condition 2. See, see here 7 and 9. I am giving first number as 7 and second number as 9. Why? Because here A is positive and B is positive. Then the condition 1 is positive. then the condition 1 is positive. Next, A is less than 70 and B is less than 70, then the condition 2 is also a true. It is first condition is true and second condition is true. Then the true or true is always be a true. Okay, then that's why the final output should be print true. Okay, now see here, one number I am giving minus 67 and another number I am giving 678, and see the output. Here see, one number is negative, that's why the output is always negative for first condition. The next one, here one number is a 678. 678 means it is greater than 70. Then the condition to true is also a false. Then the output should also false. False and false is equal. Sorry, false or false. Okay, false or false is equal false. Okay. Okay, we will see one more. Minus 9 and minus 9 and 56. Okay, minus 9 and 56. See here, the first condition is false and the second condition is true. If any one condition is true, the output should be print true. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. This is the problem. Okay, next we will see the next problem. Now see the eighth problem. Write a program that reads two numbers a and b and checks if one of a and b is less than 60 and one of a and b is greater than 80. See here, what is the first condition? Okay, what is the condition? One of. Okay, one of indicates r. Okay, then a is. Okay, then a is less than 60. A is less than 60. Given condition is a is less than 60 and one of word he given means r symbol will come. Okay, and b is less than 60. Okay, b is less than 60. Next, this is one condition, and this and indicates final. This is applicable for final result. One of a and b is greater than 80. This is also one of. One of means here also greater than 80. A is greater than 80. Okay, a is greater than 80 and b is also greater than 80. Okay, a is also greater than 80 and b is also greater than 80, but the final output, the at final result, we will print and. Okay, now see the result. This is the first inputs a and b we given. The first condition is any one of the number. Okay, any one of the number is greater than 60 and sorry, any one of the number is less than 60 and any one of the number is greater than 80. This is the first condition and this is the second condition. The final result is condition 1 and condition 2. Okay, now see the output. Here I am giving 67 and 90. Okay, now see, here what is the see here, a how much I given? A is equal 67 I given. Okay, a is equal 67 that given. Here 67 given means this is the false condition. This is false and this is also false. The output should be false. Here also 90 given. This is also false and this is also false. Okay, sorry, any of given, that's why here r will come. I am sorry. Okay, now see. Now this is false and this is also a false, then the output should also false. Now this is the output is always false. Why? Because this is false and this is false. Both the given conditions are false, then the output should be false. Now see, here one number I am giving 8 and another number I am giving 90. See the output. See here, the first number 8 is less than 60 and 90 is okay now, but here first condition is true and second condition is false, but any one condition is true means the output should be condition 1, the condition 1 should be true. Okay, here the one number is here one number is true. Okay, here 8 is first condition is false and second condition is true, then the output should be true. Okay, likewise true and true is always a true. Okay, this is the problem, friends. Okay, next we will see the another one. Hi friends, now we see the ninth problem. Write a program that reads a number. Okay, here I am taking only one number and checks if the given number is between the 25 and 75. 25 and 75. Here what is asking? The given number. Okay, the given number he is asking is between the 25 and 75 means what is the meaning of that line? Here between the 25 means the number must be greater than 25. Okay, the number must be greater than 25. Okay, greater than 25, and between the 25 and 75 means greater than the 25 or less than the 75. Okay, greater than the 25 and less than the 75. This is the condition, friends. Okay, this is the condition. Actually here only we have only one condition, that's why. uh, okay, see here. Now I am giving 67. It's a true. Okay, 67 is a true. Actually no need this. A single condition is enough. Okay, single condition is enough. Suppose given condition is true, it will print true, then otherwise it's false. Okay, now here I am giving 25. Suppose here we are giving any number is between the 25 and 75, it must be true. In remaining all conditions it's a false. Suppose here I am giving 24. Okay, here I am giving 24. See here, 24 I am giving. Now the output should be false. Now the output should be false. Suppose now I am giving 74. Now I am giving 74. Now it's true. Why? Because it's less than the 75. Okay, friends. This is a very simple question. Okay, next we have to see next. Now see the 10th problem. Write a program that reads three strings A comma B comma and C and checks if any of the, okay, see here, any of the string is equal to the woman. Okay, see friends, here A is equal to random input. Here A is equal to one input and B is equal to one input and C is equal to another input we taken. Here suppose the given condition is what? Any of the given condition is satisfied is equal to what? Is equal to woman. Okay, now is equal to woman string. That's why A is equal to woman, or B is equal to woman, or C is equal to woman. If any one string will becomes woman, the condition will satisfy true. Okay, satisfy, then it will print true, then otherwise it will print false. Okay, let's have a look. Now here I am giving A is equal to Ashok. Okay, A is equal to Ashok, and B is equal to woman, and C is equal to woman. Okay, now see, condition is true. Okay, why? Because here one condition we given woman, that's why the condition becomes true. Okay, now see, here one string here I am giving yes, and another string I am giving no, and another string I am giving neutral. Okay, see here, the output should be false. Okay, the output should be false. Why? Because here woman string is not there. Okay, okay, friends. Now see the 11th problem. Write a program that reads three numbers A, B, and C. Okay, checks if any of the word indicates what? This word indicates logical or operator. Okay, then the given number. Okay, then the given number is less than 15. Then what is the condition? First number is less than 15 and second number is less than 15 and third number is less than 15. Okay, any of the word given means it indicates R symbol. That's why the condition is what? First number A is less than 15, or B is less than 15, or C is less than 15. Okay, if any one condition is satisfied, the output will be print true, then otherwise it will print false. Okay, now see. Okay, here one number I am giving 6 and another number I am giving 15 and another number I am giving 90. Okay, see here, true. Why? Because here one number is less than 6. Okay, here one number is less than 6. That's why the output should be print false. Okay, Now see another number. Here one number I am giving 78, another number I am giving 45, another number I am giving 78 again. Okay, see here the output should be false here. Why? Because all numbers are greater than 15. That's why the output should be printed false. Okay, see all numbers. Okay, all numbers are greater than 15. That's why the output should be print false. Okay, next go to next okay, next dive into next problem. Now see the 12th problem. Write a program that reads two numbers A and B and checks if both the given numbers are not negative. Not negative means both are becomes positive. Positive, right? Either 0 or not positive. Okay, then what is the condition? The both numbers must be greater than or is equal to 0. Okay, both numbers must be greater than or is equal to 0. But in condition what he is asking, he used both word. Okay, both word is indicates what? Unsymbol. Okay, both word is indicates unsymbol. That's why the first number, here I given one first number and second number. The condition is the A is greater than or is equal to 0 and B is greater than or is equal to 0. Okay, now if the condition is true, the output should be print true, then otherwise it will print false. Okay, see here, here the first number I am giving 5 6 and second number I am giving 9. See, it's a true condition. Okay, it's a true condition. Why? Because the given both numbers are positive, right? Okay, here one number I am giving negative and another number I am giving positive. Now false will be print. Why? Because when we are using logical and operator, at least one condition should be false, then the remaining total condition should be false. That's why this is the false condition. Okay, I hope you understand this simple problem. We will see the next problem. Now see the 13th problem. See here, friends, write a program that reads two numbers A and B and checks if any of the, okay, any of the means it indicates or operator. Okay, here I will say one more logic here. When he is asking or operator, here he will use, yeah, here he is always using is word. Okay, suppose when he is using both word at the time, here he is using R word. Okay, please keep in mind. Now see what is the problem. Write a program that reads two numbers A and B and checks if any of the given numbers is not less than 15. Okay, here I taken two numbers and the condition is not less than means what is the meaning of not less than? It's always greater than or is equal to. Okay, not less than means greater than or is equal to. Then E is greater than or is equal to 15. Here what he asked, any of the word will indicates what? Or R symbol. Okay, na? R symbol. Then A is greater than or is equal to 15 or B is greater than or is equal to 15. Okay, now the given number is equal to 15 or less than 15 means the condition will becomes false. Okay, here one number I am giving 8 and another number I am giving, sorry, one number I am giving 6 and another number I am giving 8. Here both the given numbers are less than 15, right? That's why the output should be print false. Okay, now see here one number I am giving 15 and another number I am giving 9. Okay, here one number is equal to 15 and another number is equal to 9. Then one condition, here this condition satisfied. Okay, this condition satisfied means it's true. True or false, what will become true? Okay, see true. Okay, I hope you understand. Next, more than 15 also you'll see. One number is 67 and another number is 56. See here, the output should be print true. Okay, I hope you understand this problem, friends. Okay, next dive into next problem. Now see the 14th problem. Write a program that reads an age is A and the guardian status is S and checks if the age is A is between the 12 and 16 or if the guardian status S is equal to S. See friends, here the first what are the inputs? A guardian age. Can a guardian age here I just simply I am mentioning just age is equal to, okay, simply I am mentioning age. Okay, A is equal to, okay, simply I am mentioning A is equal to input int. Okay, age means is always in integer, right? That's why in input. Okay, enter the guardian age. Okay, enter the guardian age and the status s, right? Status s is equal normally put string, right? Enter the guardian status. enter the guardian status. Okay, inputs we given. Okay, inputs we given. Next, what he is asking, checks. Okay, checks if the, okay, if the, this is the first condition. What is the first condition? Age of a is between the 12 and 60. Age of a is between the 12 and 60. Then check condition 1. Check condition 1 is equal to, yeah, condition 1, a is between the 12 and 60. Then is a is greater than 12. A is greater than 12 and a is less than 60. Okay, a is greater than 12 and a is less than 60. A is greater than 12 and a is less than 60. This is the condition 1. And condition 2 is equal to, condition 2 is equal to, the guardian status is equal to yes. Okay, guardian status is equal to yes. The guardian status is equal to yes. Okay, what he is asking, any one of the condition is satisfied. Okay, any one of the condition is satisfied. Then if condition 1, if condition 1 or condition 2, condition 1 or condition 2, then print, print true, otherwise print false. Okay, see it. Here age is equal to, here in between I am giving 35 and status is equal to yes, I am giving. Now here any one, if any one condition satisfied means the output should be print true. Okay, otherwise it will print false. Okay, see here, here both the conditions are true. Okay, both the conditions are true. That's why here the output should be true. Okay, I'll check again. See here, age I am giving 61. Okay, age I am giving 61 and the status is yes. See, the output should be, why false came? Why false came? If any one condition is satisfied means first condition is false. Why? Because it's more than 61. The second condition we given, okay, here I given small letters, but here I mentioned capital Y, right? That's why. Okay, now see. See here, yes, I am giving 61 and the enter the guardian status is here first letter I given capital letter. That's why previous came false. Now see, it's true. Now it's true. Okay, yeah, in this way we have to check, friends. Okay, let's see the next problem. Now see the 15th problem. Write a program that reads two numbers a and b and checks if one of the given number. Okay, one of the given number means it will indicate or, right? Logical or operator. Given numbers is negative. Then what is the first condition? Okay, what is the first condition is asking? The first condition is negative numbers means a is less than 0 or b is less than the 0. Okay, one of the word he used, that's why here we used or operator. A is less than the 0 and b is less than the 0. Next, and. Okay, at final condition he is using and, that's why here you use and next the product of the numbers is greater than or is equal to minus 46. Okay, first here we have to find a product. Product means a into b and the product is greater than or is equal to minus 46. Okay, that means here and means the both the given conditions should the both the given conditions will become positive. At that time it will print true. In remaining all conditions it will print false. Okay, now see it here. A I am giving minus 18 and minus 9. Okay, minus 18 and minus 9. See here, first condition. Okay, first condition, this is both the given numbers are negative. If any one number is negative, it will print false only. Okay, and the product is minus 46. Okay, the product is minus 46. But actually, the product is greater than minus 46. Okay, the product is greater than minus 46 means 8 sevens are 8 nines are. Okay, 8 nines are how much? Okay, 72. Okay, 8 nines are 72. Minus into minus will become positive. Okay, then it's a positive 72. Okay, positive 72 means it's greater than minus 46, right? Then that's why the condition becomes positive. Okay, now you'll see one more example. Here one number I am giving minus 6 and another number I am giving just 2. Okay, one number I am giving not 2. Here I am giving 8. 8 is 9 I am giving. Okay, now see it's false. Why? Because the first condition is true. Why? Because one number is negative. But the second condition is false. Why? Because 9 6 are 54. What 54 will come? Minus 54 will come. Minus 54 is the less number when comparing to minus 46. That's why the second condition is false. Okay. Here what he is asking? He used AND operator. That's why one condition is true and another condition is false. The output should be false. Okay. That's it for friends. Okay, let's look into another problem. Friends, now see the 16th problem. Write a program to check if the both of the given numbers. Okay, here he given two numbers and both the given numbers are positive. Okay, now both. Okay, here what word he used? If the both means it will indicate and symbol. The given number should be positive. Okay, positive means if a number said to be positive means the both the numbers will become positive. That means a is greater than 0. The number is said to be positive means the number is always greater than the 0. That's why a is great 0 and b is greater than 0. And if the at least one number, here he said at least. Okay, at least word is also is indicates r symbol. That's why here I used r symbol. Any one of the given number, any if suppose in that two numbers one number must be greater than 5. That's why a is greater than 5 or b is greater than 5. But what he is asking, here he used and word. Okay, that's why the condition 1 and condition 2. Okay, let's check it. Here one number I am giving 6 and another number I am giving 3. See, it's true. Why? Because the according to first condition both the numbers are positive, then that's why it's true. And according to second condition one number is greater than 5. Okay, one number is greater than 5. That's why this is also a true. Then the output should be print true. Okay, now see the one more problem. Okay, here one number I am giving 3 and another number I am giving 4. See here, this is false. Why? Because according to condition both first condition is true. Okay, first condition is true but the second condition is false. Okay, now false and true will becomes false. Okay friends, I hope you understand this problem. Okay, let's look into another problem. Friends, now we see the 17th problem. Write a program that reads the marks in maths M, physics P and chemistry C and checks if any of the below conditions is satisfied. See here what is the main condition is asking? Any of the below conditions means any of the word coming means at that time it's the logical or operator. Okay, then see what is the first condition? M is greater than 70 and P is greater than 60 and C is greater than 60 and M plus P plus C is equal to 180. Okay, here first we have to take user inputs. Here maths, physics, chemistry I already taken. And here in second condition is asking the sum. Okay, sum is equal to 180 he's asking. That's why the sum is equal to M plus P plus C. Here condition 1 is equal to first one, M is greater than 70 and P is greater than 60 and C is greater than 60. Here see, suppose if M is greater than 70 means it will become true condition means here all the given three, this one and this one, maths, physics, chemistry, these three conditions are becomes true. At that time only the complete condition will become true. Okay, like here also sum is equal to 180 means at that time it's true. See here, for understanding purpose, here I am printing condition 1. Okay, condition 1 and as well as condition 2. Okay, now see the output. Here physics I am giving 6. Here maths I am giving 70 and physics I am giving 60 and chemistry also I am giving 60. See here, according to given condition, what is the first one? Mass greater than r is equal to 70. Then mass I given 70, it's true. and as well as P is also true and C is also true, then the complete condition is true. Okay, then the complete condition is true. Next, see the sum of the three subjects. Okay, the sum of the three subjects means 70 plus 60, 130, 130 plus 60, 190. Okay, 190 is equal. Okay, 190 is equal 190 not is equal 190 means that is not is equal 180. That's why the second condition is false. Okay, second condition is false. And the print the final condition is condition one, true or false will becomes true. Okay, true or false it becomes true. Then the final answer should be true. Okay, suppose I will give one more result. Here maths I am giving 45, physics I am giving 34, and chemistry I am giving 50. See here, the first condition is false. Why? Because here maths not greater than 70, physics not greater than 60, chemistry not greater than 60. All the given conditions are false. That's why the final output is also false. Not final output, the condition one is also false. As well as the sum is not is equal to 180. Okay, the sum is not is equal to 180. Here 45, okay, 45 plus 34, 79, 79 plus 50. Okay, 79 plus 50, 129. Okay, 129 means that is not is equal 180. That's why the second condition is also a false. Then the false or false is equal false. Okay, like we have to check the problem. Okay, let's go to next problem, friends. Now we see the 18th problem. See here, write a program that reads two numbers a and b and checks if any of the below conditions is satisfied. See what he mentioned here, any of the word is indicates logical or. Okay, given below conditions, what conditions he given? What is the first condition? The sum of a and b is less than 10. That means here sum means a plus b and it is less than 10. A plus b is less than 10. And the second condition is the difference between the a and b is less than 10. The difference means a minus b is less than 10. And the number a is between the 5 and 30. That means a is greater than 5 and a is less than 30. Okay, now see the output. Here first number I am giving 9 and the second number I am giving 7. See, here what is the first condition? A plus b is less than 10. Okay, a plus b is less than 10. Here first number is equal to 9 and the second number is equal to 7. 9 plus 7 will become 16. Okay, 16 is less than 10 means it's a false condition. That's why here false came. Okay, the next one, a minus b. A minus b how much? 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 is less than 10. It's true. Now the number a, the number a 9 is between the 5 and 30. That's why it is also true. But finally what he is asking, the output condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3. That means if any one condition will becomes true, the output should be print true here. Okay, here the second condition and third conditions are true. That's why the output is also true. Here output true printed. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, up to now we discussed 18 problems in this concept. Okay, it's much more enough. Okay, from next onwards I'll say simple concept and just I'll say five problems on each concept only. If it's a small concept I'll say five problems, but um, we will increase the problem complexity. Okay, from now onwards we will see the intermediate problems and tough problems we will see from now onwards. Okay, I hope you understand this video. Thank you so much friends. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.